What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Ford Smart Key. So this Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2450. And the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom of our Smart Key. That's done by pressing this button here, and that's going to allow that to slide out like that. Now we're going to take this emergency Smart Key and we're going to use it to pry up on the back here. If we look in the bottom, we'll see this little notch right here. Just put your key in that and then push up like that. Go ahead and pull the back off. Now for this part, I'd recommend grabbing a small screwdriver, or even something just with like a point on it. But if we look right here, you see this little notch. You can get in there in order to get the battery up. And take your new battery and make sure you're installing that with the plus side up. Go ahead and snap that in there. Snap the back on. Put our emergency key back. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.